Hi, my name is Arran Gill and I'm a project management apprentice currently working at Mace. I'm studying for a degree in construction management at the University College of Estate Management. So, why an apprenticeship? I chose an apprenticeship because I personally felt that going down the conventional route of going to university was not best suited to me, although I was heavily pushed towards it by my school throughout my time at sixth form. However, I knew I was not completely done with studying just yet, therefore making a degree apprenticeship the ideal avenue for me to take. This would allow me to gain hands-on experience in my chosen industry whilst also attaining a well-respected qualification. What I enjoy most is being able to apply what I've learned through my studies into my job role on a day-to-day basis. This is something that suits me perfectly as a person, being someone who learns far better through applied learning and being able to put into practice what I've learned whilst making the process far more enjoyable for me. In addition to this, being able to move across the business into various subsectors has allowed me to expand my knowledge, with these so far being the prisons and housing team, which has allowed me to make a direct impact on people's lives, making the job far more fulfilling. The things that have helped me most on my journey so far is having a great supportive line manager and project team, who have provided me with help and guidance on a consistent basis. This support has extended across the company to the wider apprentice team, who provide us with plenty of internal training sessions, workshops, and support sessions in order for us as apprentices to not only familiarise ourselves with each other, but also make vital contacts across the business and expand our network. The main challenge I faced is getting those closest to me to appreciate, value and understand an apprenticeship route. This has meant educating them that going to university is not the best fit for all. This is extremely relative to my wider family and my school, as previously mentioned, and my nomination for this award is further proof that an apprenticeship allows you to excel and showcase what is achievable regardless of the chosen route. This proved a slightly difficult task at first, however, they are encouraged to see changes in me as a person and my development in my confidence and various skills. Finally, I would like to say a huge thank you for all of you who have taken the time to watch this video.